So this is the 30,000 milliamp hour Oraimo power bank, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing it. I've made a video on unboxing the 20,000 milliamp hour power bank as well. A review of that will be coming very soon, as well as this one. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Okay, so there's a seal here, which is something I just observed, so you should check yours as well. This part has been sealed, so there's no way to just open it unless maybe where you got it from they resealed it. So I'm going to open it from here. Okay, so I've removed the seal and just stick it back. Alright, so this is what the inside looks like. We have a Type-C USB cord, and we have the main power bank wrapped in this. And finally, we have the instruction manuals, which no one ever reads. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You can see down here it says 30 milliamp hours. We have 4 charging ports, and we have 2 ways to charge the power bank, either by using the Type-C USB or a micro USB. Finally, we have a flashlight that you can use maybe at night. And yeah, this is the power button. If I tap on it, the battery is at 75%. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be using the power bank, and I'll make a final review for it. If you want to see that, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Thank you for watching.